So we can see here Aam Aadmi Party is organizing a silent protest against this unholy alliance, which is now called Congress Janata Party in Goa. People are registering their protest. People are saying that Congress is busy selling themselves. Congress for sale. As we can see, the number is increasing. The people are increasing. This is a busy Panjim road, but still on this rainy day, a lot of people have come up. They are registering their protest. We have Valmiki with us. Valmiki, what is the purpose of this protest?
See, the purpose of this protest is basically to draw the attention of the people to the political reality in Goa today. BJPचो जो सरकार आसा, हो सरकार ताणे बाकीचे सगळी नाटकां सोडून फक्त आज कोविड मॅनेजमेंट करूंक जाय आशिल्लें. केसीस दिसाक 500चेर पावयल्ले आसा. लोक डेली मरत आसा. पूण BJP फक्त इंट्रेस्टेड आसा की राजभवन नवें घालपाचें, एसेंब्ली कॉम्प्लेक्स रेनोवेट करपाचें, समाध्यो बांदपाच्यो आनी सगळ्यांक अजापाचें म्हळ्यार हांकां काँग्रेसीचे MLA आनी मेंबर विकत घेवपाचें चड आवड आसा. कोविड मॅनेजमेंट कोण करतलो? आनी सरकारान हें सामकें हाचेर फेलियर जाल्ली आसा. जेन्ना सरकाराची फेलियर जाता तेन्ना ऑपोजिशनाचें काम आसता उलोवपाचें. ऑपोजिशन आज आसा मेन काँग्रेस. सगळ्यांक याद आसतली की 2017च्या इलेक्शनान काँग्रेसीक सगळ्यांक चड मतां मेळिल्ली. एक एक करून सगळेच MLA विकून उडयले BJPक. आज BJPचो सरकार आसा वचून, पडूंक जाय आशिल्लो हो सरकार. तर आज आमी प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आयला is to protest this formation of this new political party in Goa called Congress Janata Party. आज दोन पार्ट्यो ना, आज गव्हर्मेंट आणि ऑपोजिशन वेगळे ना, ह्या दोगूय एक जाल्ले आसा आनी हांचें नांव आज आमी दिल्लें आसा काँग्रेस जनता पार्टी.
Thank you. We have Pradeep ji. Pradeep ji is secretary for Aam Aadmi Party. Why we are protesting today?
We are protesting to show the Goans that their vote has no value. Their vote is taken on different principles, different promises, but nothing happens in reality. Both the national parties, Congress and BJP, have underhand setting. They are all together. For namesake, there are two different parties. So we want to show to the Goans, to Indians and to the world that there is only a setting party called Congress Janata Party in Goa.
Thank you. We have Sunil here, Sunil Signapurkar, one of the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. Sunil, can you tell us the reason for such protest?
See, we are here to prove to tell the Goan voters that this is called a dirty politics. This is called a dirty politics, and we need a clean politics like up in Goa, because during this difficult time, COVID time, people see yesterday only we got around 500 COVID patients in single day. Just imagine these 500 people, how many people it will multiply. So these people is total. I want to say this is Congress Janata Party is a total failure in government, and they are taking Goan for it.
Right. We have Mario as well. Mario, what was the need to come on streets against the government, against the Congress party?
Goa is known all over as a very peace-loving state, but this peace and social fabric has been made into a disaster by the current government. They have failed on all fronts, whether it is the COVID issue or whether it is the social fabric of the very social fabric of the state. Here in Goa, the BJP is only busy buying Congress MLAs and trying to keep the government afloat without any concern for the public. They have formed this new alliance called the
Congress
Janata Party.
Yeah. We have Rahul as well. Rahul, what's your thought on today's protest? How it came?
See, Goa was in green zone in April. Yesterday, we had 700 positive cases, more than 75 deaths. And during the green zone period, CM Pramod Sawant was just saying, "Bhupaji garaz na, do not get afraid, do not panic." But besides saying this chant of Bhupaji garaz na, he did nothing. He was all out to break the BJP or Congress party, give them lucrative offers, get into their party, and this is what he has done during COVID time. He was expected to be with the Goan people, build up the infrastructure. The Aam Aadmi Party, Goa gave them various suggestions, various memorandum from time to time. They were positive suggestions. Instead of implementing them, what Pramod Sawant did was put it on the file, did no action, but his focus was only on breaking the Congress. And Congress was very willing to give them, start a piggery farm and supply them MLAs, their sons, their daughters, their families. This is what BJP, Pramod Sawant, their president Sadaran Tanod has done. Shame on them, and we condemn this new formation of Congress Janata Party. It's disgusting for the people of Goa. They have come together and are looting the state like anything.
True, thank you. We have a youth leader with us, Nikhil. Nikhil, what are your thoughts on today's protest?
जशें की तुम्ही पळयलां की आयज तुमी खूब लार्ज नंबरान यूथ हांगा पळयल्ले आसा, आनी ताका लागून दिसता की युथाचे मदीं जो राग आशिल्लो तो आयज भायर आयिल्लो आसा, कित्याक की अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटचो जो इशू आसा तो गव्हर्मेंट हेच्या बद्दल कांयच करिना. आमकां 5 ऑगस्टाक आमी एक जेनिफर मॉन्सेराची मिनिस्टर फॉर लेबर डिपार्टमेंट क्रिएटेड अ पोर्टल, जॉब पोर्टल, पण अजून पर्यंत जॉब पोर्टलाची वेबसायट खंय आसा आनी तो जॉब पोर्टल चलता काय ना हे अजून युथाक खबर ना. कोण सर्च केलो जाल्यार तेच्या जॉब पोर्टलाचेर कांय येना. बट तशेंच जर तांकां कळना जाल्यार आम आदमी पार्टीचे दिल्ली जी सरकार चलता तेंच्यांनी जॉब पोर्टल रिलीज करून 8 लाख एंट्री ऑलरेडी तांकां आयिल्ली आसा. सो अशें आमचे गोंयचे सरकार कित्याक करिना युथा खातीर? जशें की गोंयचे खुबशे यूथ जे आसा दे आर एम्प्लॉयड इन द टॅक्सी बिजनस. टॅक्सी बिजनसाक कितें सपोर्ट केला आयज पर्यंत गव्हर्मेंटान? खुबशे यंग भुरगे 25 year old 30 year old भुरग्यांनी स्टार्टअप्स केल्ले. दे गॉट कार्ड्स, दे गॉट लोन्स, and they started a business. But today there is no support from the government. In this time of pandemic situation, the government has doubled the road tax of the taxi. So this is not expected from the government. The government should help the taxi drivers and taxi owners and all the brothers and brothers who are involved in the taxi business.
What are your thoughts on CM Pramod Sawant?
CM Pramod Sawant has totally failed. He has miserably failed in controlling this COVID situation. First, he had 2 months, 3 months back, he had announced that we are a green zone. And now if you see, yesterday there was 500 cases. The 75 deaths have been caused. Now who is responsible for these 75 deaths? I think that Pramod Sawant is directly responsible for the death of these 75 people. He should immediately resign and get out of the administration. He cannot run this thing.
People are saying that he's a clueless CM. Do you agree?
Yeah. No. He doesn't have any clue about what to do. He doesn't have any management. If you see hospitals, it is understaffed. If you see lockdowns, what he's planning night curfews and all. It is all been broken up. There are parties been organized during the night lockdown. So what are these rules for? Whom are these rules for?
Great, thank you. Sir, what are your thoughts on today's protest?
Today's protest is a very important protest which is carried on. हांव सगळ्यांक उलो मारता आतां आम आदमी पार्टी फुडें सरूनच सगळें करता पळय आतां एवरी गोवन्स जो आहा तेंच्यांनी फुडें सरून कांय कामां करपाक जाय कित्याक आमी आनी न्हिदोन वचपाचो टायम ना आमचे कडेन ओके इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज द काँग्रेस आनी BJP अशें दिसपाक येता की हे पयलीं पासूनच चालू आहा दीस इज ए मिली भगत म्हणटा पळय तसलें हें आतां इतल्या डिफरंट मिन्स ओके आमी टॅक्सीस पे करता तुमी पब्लिकाक कितें दिता हाडां दिता मरे हाडां उडयता मरे पब्लिका फुडल्यान तुमी तांकां कांयच दिना मरे आनी तुमी इतलें करून दवरला आतां कितें आहा आतां गोंय विकपाचें बाकी आहा आमकां आतां म्हातारे उलयता आमी पोर्चुगेज टायमार बरें आसलें म्हणून दीस इज द वर्स्ट फेस एवर आय हॅव सीन इन माय लायफ एंड आमी गोंयकार जर न्हिदोन उरले न्हू दीस इज गोईंग टू बी अनदर बिग डिफिकल्टी फॉर अस टू लिव हियर थँक्यू व्हेरी मच आनी काय उलोवपाक ना म्हाका कांय उलोवपाचें कांय दवरूंकूच ना हांगा गोंयांत कांयच ना हांगा चीफ मिनिस्टर आमचे काँग्रेस आहा ते रवी नायक प्रताप सिंग राणे हे कितें करता हे काँग्रेसीन रावन तांकां MLA ओडपाची कामां करता आनी कांयच करना ते ओके ते BJP बरोबर मेळिल्ले आसा पयलीं पासूनच मेळिल्ले आसा सो इट इज वेल टू कॉल Congress and BJP is one party.
So people are calling it as Congress Janta Party.
It's a Congress Janta Party, yeah.
Thank you.
Congress Janta Party, correct.
So we have our Aam Aadmi Party's very strong volunteer, Bruno. Bruno, what are your thoughts on today's protest? People are saying that you guys are also saying that Congress for sale, exclusive offer for BJP. And BJP's administration is... You guys are directly questioning the BJP's administration. So what are your thoughts on it?
Yeah, this goes without saying. The time has come. It's openly shown by the Congress and the BJP. The Congress is a sellable body. It's available for sale. And the BJP has done to buy them without taking the care of its janta, the public. It works like a mafia. This is the first time in democracy we have come under to this situation.
True.
Both these governments is not taking care of the public. It's like for power grid. Whereas a democracy is such a beautiful tool in the hand of the people for the governance, for the upliftment of the people.
So do you think Goenkars have been betrayed by both the leading parties?
Goenkars has been terribly betrayed. Betrayed is maybe a very lighter word. I don't know what substitute word. We need now to come up from the bottom, build up a party movement, and up is one of the way forward. This has been seen by the Delhi state. It's time we all have to be united.
True.
And teach a lesson for both the mafias. That's a